Welcome back to UK Knowledge Group. In this video, we will discuss how to report individual student activity. We will also discuss how to withdraw a previous reported student activity, how to add and update sponsor notes, how to provide individual fee updates, and how to submit a graduate notification for an individual student on the sponsorship management system. So to report a student on sponsorship management system, for that you will go from the student's screen, select sponsorship duties at the bottom. Then from the sponsorship duties screen, you can select report activity by CAS number. If known, if you do not know the CAS number, in that case report activity by CAS search. Then from the student search screen, CAS search screen, you have the details over here where you can enter the passport number, family name, given name, date of birth, and then click next. After that, on the CAS search screen, you will see the CAS number. To report student activity, enter the CAS number of the student if you want to report. So as soon as you enter that, click next. So you have two options, either to do the student search or the CAS search. You can find the CAS number which you have assigned on the student CAS letter. After that, you will be able to see the CAS search result. So for example, you have the CAS number, passport number, family name, date of birth, course start detail, and course title. Everything will show up. Click next. Then from the report student activity history scheme, select relevant option from the activity type drop down menu. You have all these options. Sponsorship withdrawn. Sponsor has stopped sponsoring the student. Change in the student circumstances. Student is delayed. Doctorate extension scheme, previous notification withdrawn. Click next after selecting the relevant one. Then from the report student activity date and screen, complete the date and details you choose to save. So over here you have the option date sponsorship withdrawn, which date you want to withdraw the sponsorship. Please give details. For example, a student disappeared, a student stopped coming to class or went back to their home country. Last known address, what was the address was provided. Then country, which country, telephone number. So for example, if they have provided the previous country, home country, you will provide that. Select all that, and after that you will select save. Once the reporting process is completed, it will show as report student activity recorded. The student activity has been recorded and submitted for assessment. OK, press OK to choose continue. As soon as you click OK, it will be done. And once the report of the student activity has been completed, the report student activity screen will look like this. You have the option to choose back or next. It will clearly say over here, date when the activity is reported, sponsorship withdrawn. Sponsor has stopped sponsoring the student. Which date and what time? Sponsorship withdrawn, sponsor has stopped withdrawing the student. Now we will discuss how to withdraw the report activity. So in previous one, we have reported the student. In this one, we will discuss how to withdraw what we have done before. So from the student screen, select sponsorship duties. Then from the sponsorship duties screen, report activity by CAS number, or you can report activity by CAS search. Like in previous one, we done the CAS search. In this one, if you know the CAS number, you will click on this one. Then from the student search, CAS search screen, you put the details in and you can search the CAS number. If you know the CAS number, just put the number in, click next. From the CAS search result, select next. You will be able, once you've done the search, you will be able to see all the details, the CAS number, passport number, family name, date of birth, course, and then click next. From the report student activity history screen, select the previous notification withdrawn from the activity type drop down. So for example, this time we are withdrawing. In previous example, we have reported the student. In this one, we are withdrawing what we have reported. So it says over here, sponsorship withdrawn. Sponsor has stopped sponsoring the student. So this was the reason we have selected. So when we will drop down, previous notification withdrawn. So don't get confused. Previously, we have withdrawn the sponsorship. In this one, what we are doing, previous notification withdrawn. What we have done, we are withdrawing that. So from the student report activity date and reason screen, complete the date of previous notification provided, full details of why you withdrawing the earlier report. previous notification withdrawn from the drop down menu. So this is the menu we can see over here. You provide the CAS number, reason, previous notification withdrawn. So date of previous notification, which date you have done it, please give the details, and then you put the details in. This is the date you put of your detail when you have stopped the student from, when you have reported the student. Now you will select save. When the reporting process is complete, the report student activity recorded screen is displayed, which will be like this. Choose OK on the activity history screen. The report you have just submitted is now displayed on the report activity history list. Choose back to return to the student search screen, or next to begin another report on the same student. So in this one, if you see this on 8th of November, we have sponsorship withdrawn. We have done this. Now on this date, we have previous notification withdrawn. What we have done, we are withdrawing that over here. Many people get confused with how to add notes. So in this section, we will discuss how to add notes for the sponsorship. So from the student screen, select sponsor duties. And from the sponsorship duties screen, select manage live CAS by CAS number. Or you can do manage live by CAS search. Then from the manage live CAS screen, enter the CAS number to which you wish to add or student detail or CAS number. Then select next. After that, you will be able to see all the details of the CAS. So for example, from manage live CAS screen, select the sponsor note. You can see the option over here, sponsor note. What it says, to add a note to a CAS. For example, to inform us a spelling mistake in the name, a change to the passport number, or minor change to the details of the course. Many people say that you cannot change the CAS once you have assigned. Yes, you cannot change the CAS. Instead of that, you can add note to CAS. And from the manage live CAS, edit sponsor note screen, enter the details you wish to note. So this is the details you have the option to save. So for example, the passport number was incorrect, or the course name was incorrect, or the School of Management of Languages was incorrect, and you mention all the details over here. Now the note has been added to the CAS. Select OK or return to manage live screen. It will clearly say the sponsor note has been updated successfully. Choose OK to continue. Now in this section of the guidance, we will discuss and learn how to tell the student about the fees. So for that, we will go on sponsorship duties screen. Then from the sponsorship duties screen, you can manage live by CAS number or manage live by CAS search, which we just discussed in the previous one. Then from the manage live CAS screen, you can search by CAS number or manage the CAS details. Then from the manage live CAS screen, select update fees. From the manage live CAS update fees screen, you have the option update the fees course paid to the date, or once you have made the changes, select save. So for example, you have the option over here, fees field, course fees charged for the first year of the course in pound sterling using the format 1234.99. Course fees paid to date, accommodation fees paid to date, boarding fees paid to date. This is how you put all the details in, and you click save. After that, you will be able to see over here the fee field has been updated successfully. Choose OK to continue. Click OK. Now let's learn how to inform the student or notify the student about graduate status. For that, we will go on sponsorship duties screen from the reporting student activity. After that, from the sponsorship duties screen, report activity by CAS number, or if you can do by CAS search. Then from the student search screen, enter the details of the student. For example, passport number, family number, given name, date of birth, or you can do search by CAS number. After that, you will be able to see CAS search result. It will show like this. Click next. Now this is the interesting part. From the report student activity history screen, select student has successfully completed course in line with graduate criteria. So you will be able to see this, student has successfully completed course in line with qualifying criteria of the graduate rule, and then click next. Then from the report student activity date and reason screen, enter the further detail if required and choose save. So you can see over here, reason, student has successfully completed the course. For the line option, click save over here. When the notification has been submitted, the report student activity recorded screen is displayed, which will look like this. Click OK. Once the report student activity history screen will show like this, once you have done all that, you have the option to choose back or next Or you can see over here all the details that on this date, on this time, student has successfully completed the course in line with qualifying criteria for the graduate route. If you don't do that, student cannot apply for graduate visa. After that, you will be able to see graduate route notification, successful course completion notification submitted. Yes, date of notification, date, notification comment passed with distinction.